So you might be thinking, this is all really interesting, but how does it apply in my life? Well, I think that since language permeates everything we do as humans, learning about language is always a good thing. But more specifically, we can look at how we can apply what we've learned for language learners, language teachers, or those who teach students whose first language is different from the classroom language, literacy teachers, and those going into another language-related field. If you're a language learner, you can use what you've learned from this course to better understand the sounds of the language that you're learning. When you get caught up on a sound, think about what is happening in the mouth and in the throat. Look at the mouths of people that are talking. What's happening? If you have a language teacher, you can ask them things like, where is your tongue when you say that sound? If you need to, you can teach them about phonetics so that they can better help you and other students. If you're a language teacher, you can help support your students in a similar way. When their pronunciation is difficult to understand, you can tell them exactly how they can modify their speech. You can teach them about what is happening in the mouth and throat. If you're a teacher who teaches literacy, having a better understanding of phonetics will help you better support your students in building phonological awareness, a key part of becoming a strong reader. So when you're introducing new phonics concepts, direct them to notice what's happening in their mouth and throat. Where are their articulators? Of course, if you're teaching children, I would use a more kid-friendly language. Have them use a mirror to look and see what's happening. Can they feel their throat vibrate? Have them actually put their hand on their throat and test it out, just like we did. And can they feel a puff of air? Again, have them put their hand in front of their mouth to feel it. These can actually be really fun for students. They're more interactive and tactile, and they're building more neural connections, and it gives students an opportunity to discover the sounds for themselves. Lastly, if you're going into another field like speech-language pathology or dialect coaching, these concepts will help you explain to your clients what exactly they need to be doing in their mouths and throats. It'll also help you understand what they're doing wrong so you can better direct them. I hope this gives you a better idea of the specific skills that you've gained and how to apply them in your life. So let me know if there are other ways you can apply these new skills and knowledge.